हेलो बेटा, आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है हमारा मैट्रिसेस। ठीक है, एनसीईआरटी का थर्ड चैप्टर है। तो पहले कुछ बेसिक्स बातें कर लेते हैं। मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है? ठीक है, मैट्रिक्स क्या है? मैट्रिक्स इज द रेक्टेंगुलर अरेंजमेंट ऑफ डेटा। कोई डेटा, जैसे सपोज मान लो 3 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ए, बी और सी। एग्जाम दिया, फर्स्ट टर्म में ए के मार्क्स आए 90, बी के आए 40 और सी के आए 100 ना। सेकंड फिर एग्जाम हुआ, ए के तो आए 85, बी के आ गए 70 और सी के आ गए 98। फिर थर्ड एग्जाम हुआ, ए के तो आ गए 30, बी के आ गए 90 हो गए और सी के आ गए 100। तो ये जो रेक्टेंगुलर अरेंजमेंट है ना, दिस इज कॉल्ड मैट्रिक्स। ठीक है, व्हाट इज मैट्रिक्स? मैट्रिक्स इज द रेक्टेंगुलर अरेंजमेंट ऑफ डेटा। ठीक है, अब ऐसे भी कह सकते थे हम, एक और एग्जाम हो गया, फोर्थ एग्जाम है ना, उसमें इससे कितने आ गए 100, इससे कितने आ गए 100 और इससे कितने आ गए 50। ठीक है, तो व्हाट इज मैट्रिक्स? मैट्रिक्स इज द रेक्टेंगुलर अरेंजमेंट ऑफ डेटा। ठीक है, वेयर हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस are called rows. This is first row, this is second row, and this is third row. And vertical lines are called columns. That is C1, C2, C3, and C4. Got my point? Vertical lines are called columns, and horizontal lines are called rows. Okay? And what is order of matrix? Order of matrix means rows into columns. So there are 3 rows and 4 columns. The order of matrix is 3/4 matrix. इसे कैसे प्रोनाउंस करेंगे? It's 3/4 matrix. There are 3 rows and 4 columns. Remember, always first number is row and second number is column. Don't forget it. ठीक है? First is row and second is always column. ठीक है? If there is a matrix of order m by n, that means m are rows and n are number of columns. Got my point? ठीक है, तो what is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of data. ठीक है, and where horizontal lines are called rows and vertical lines are called columns, and order of matrix is rows into columns, that is 3 to 7. And what about number of elements? कितने एलिमेंट्स है? नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स काउंट करो, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and 3 into 4 कितना होता है? That means number of elements means value which is equal to rows into columns is called number of elements, है ना? And every element has a address. ठीक है, that means हर एक एलिमेंट का अपना एक एड्रेस होगा। इसका एड्रेस क्या है? This is second row and second column. So we write it at A22 in subscript. This is called subscript. In computer language, the upper one is called superscript and lower one is called subscript. So second row, second column value is 70. If I said what is A31, that is third row, first column. Third row, first column. The answer is 100. If I ask you what is third row, fourth column, there is third row and this fourth column. The answer is 50. Is it clear? So what is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of data in which horizontal lines are called rows, vertical lines are called columns. Order of matrix is rows into column. Number of elements is the value of rows into columns. And every element has an address, and we write it as superscript in subscript A22, A31, and so on. Right? Note down this. Okay. अब एक क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं। क्वेश्चन क्या लिखा है? कंस्ट्रक्ट अ 2/3 मैट्रिक्स। अब हमने मैट्रिक्स को बनाना है। वी हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर 2/3, दैट मींस देयर आर 2 rows and 3 columns. ठीक है, where aij is equal to I plus j upon. First of all, we have to construct a matrix of 2 rows and 3 columns. So 2 rows, that is first row, first column, second row, first column. 2 rows and column, there are 3 columns, that is A12, A13. A22, A23. Got the point? There are 2 rows and 3 columns. And what about the elements? He said Aij is equal to I plus j divided by 2. If you find out, want to find A11, That means I is 1 and j is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Is it clear? We have to find a12. That means I is 1, j is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3 by 2. I want to find out a13. That means 1 plus 3, 4. Sorry, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now a21. That is 2 plus 1 by 2. That is 3 by 2. a22. I is 2, j is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 upon 2 is 2. है ना? And a23. ठीक है? तो I is 2, j is 3. है ना? तो 2 plus 3, 5 by. And write these values. What is a11? It is 1. a12, it is 3 by 2. a13, it is 2. 21 is 3 by 2. 22 is 2. And 23 is 5 by 2 rows. I hope it clear हुआ होगा आपको, है ना? Try this question. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix where Aij is equal to 2i minus j whole square upon 2. ठीक है? Please try this. तो बेटा क्वेश्चन क्लियर हुआ. अब कुछ टाइप्स पढ़ते हैं. टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स थोड़ा सा देखना है आपको किस किस टाइप की मैट्रिक्स होती है. नाम से पता लगेगा. रो मैट्रिक्स. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. जैसे मान लो एक मैट्रिक्स है, हमने कहा 1 3 4. तो कितनी रो है इसमें? जस्ट वन रो. कॉलम हो सकते हैं कितने भी. कॉलम 1, कॉलम 2, कॉलम 3, कॉलम 4 है. तो यानी कि a matrix in which there is only one row is called row matrix. Same as column matrix क्या है? A matrix said to be column matrix if it has only one column. column एक ही होना चाहिए. जैसे हमने कहा 1 2 3 4 है. तो there are 4 rows but column is single. one column है ना. So this is first row, this is second row, this is third row, this is fourth row. ठीक है ना? तो row matrix in which there is only one row, column matrix in which only one column. तो नाम से क्लियर है. बिल्कुल सिंपल सी चीज है. नेक्स्ट इज स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. हमने पढ़ा हुआ है स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर क्या होता है? लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ से है ना. तो यहाँ पे स्क्वायर मतलब क्या होगा? where number of rows is equal to number of columns. A matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. जैसे मान लो मैंने कहा 1 2 3 4. So there are 2 rows and 2 columns. सिंपल है. 2 rows and 2 columns. मैंने कहा 1 2 3 -1 -2 -3 4 5 6. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. Or these are called square matrix where number of rows is equal to number of columns. Here order is 2 cross 2 by 2. Here order is 3 by 3. Or we can say that this is a square matrix of order 2. No need to say 2 by 2 because this is a square matrix. Okay? So this is a square matrix of order 2. This is a square matrix of order 3. Is it clear? Right. Next one is diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? A square matrix in which all non-diagonal elements are 0. First condition, this is a square matrix. ठीक है? In which अब देखो, suppose this is a question 1 2 5 4. You know that this is a square and these are called diagonals. है ना? Here this is diagonal, this is diagonal, right? But in matrix, this is only called diagonal. This is not a diagonal. What is the reason? Please see carefully. इसका एड्रेस क्या है? A11. इसका एड्रेस क्या है? A22. Suppose I said 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. तो एड्रेस ऑफ दिस इज 1 1 2 2 3 3. तो what if you know diagonal elements where the address of rows and columns is same. है ना? 1 1 2 2 3 3 are called diagonal elements. तो ठीक है. So this one is diagonal. This is not a diagonal. Is it clear? Now he is saying that what is diagonal matrix? It is a square matrix in which all non-diagonal elements are 0. See 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. So this is diagonal elements and non-diagonal elements are 0. Suppose I say 1 0 0 5. So this is a square matrix of order 2. This is a square matrix of order 3, but these are diagonal matrix because non-diagonal elements are 0. I hope it clear होगा है ना. So what is row matrix? A matrix in which there is only one row. Column matrix, a matrix that is column, it has only one column. Square matrix where number of rows is equal to number of columns. Diagonal matrix is a square matrix in which non-diagonal elements are 0. These are called diagonal elements and non-diagonal elements are 0. I hope it clear होगा है ना. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next one is scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal. This is also a diagonal element, but diagonal elements are same. This is suppose हमने कहा 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0. All diagonal elements are equal. Suppose I said 3 0 0 3. ठीक है. So these are called scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are clear. Now tell me, is scalar matrix a diagonal matrix? Yes. Is diagonal matrix a square matrix? Yes. Is diagonal matrix a scalar matrix? Maybe or may not. Diagonal matrix और scalar matrix हो भी सकता है नहीं, but scalar matrix और diagonal matrix ठीक है. फिर बात क्लियर है. ओके. नंबर 6 पे आता है बेटा आपका आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. कौन सा आएगा पे? आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. ठीक है. स्केलर मैट्रिक्स क्या था? अ डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स इन व्हिच ऑल डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर इक्वल. ठीक है. एंड आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स इज अ स्केलर मैट्रिक्स where all diagonal elements are 1. जिसके सारे diagonal elements 1 होंगे. कैसे? आइए देखिए. जैसे हमने कहा 1 0 0 1. all diagonal elements are, this is also scalar, but ठीक है, all the elements are 1. it is called identity matrix. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. ये बहुत यूज होगा इस कैलकुलेशन में. ठीक है. और this is called, here it is an I of order 2 and this is called identity matrix of order. We can write it as like this, I2 and I2. ठीक है. तो identity matrix is a scalar matrix in which all diagonal elements are 1. Right. And the last one is null matrix, or we can characterize as zero matrix. It is also a square matrix where all elements are 0. It is a, ठीक है, where all elements are 0 is called. Now in all these, square matrix is a number of rows, number of columns. Diagonal matrix is also a square matrix, है ना. Scalar matrix is also a square. But null matrix, any matrix where all elements are 0. ठीक है. जरूरी नहीं है कि स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स हो. तो मैट्रिक्स इन व्हिच ऑल एलिमेंट्स आर 0 इज कॉल्ड null matrix or zero matrix. I hope it clear होगा. Please note this.